Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome back. Today, we're diving into the Trading Cafe. Is it legit or scam? At the full review in 2025. The Trading Cafe is an online platform that offers trading education with free courses, live Zoom sessions, and access to experienced traders. They focus on teaching trading strategies rather than giving direct trading signals, which makes it stand out from many other sites. From what we can see, the Trading Cafe looks legit. Their website is secure with SSL, the domain is registered properly, and review sites like Scam Advisor give them a decent trust score of 76 out of 100. Of course, user feedback is limited, and some people on Reddit advise caution with any platform promising big returns, so it's always smart to do with your own research. In summary, if you want to learning trade basics with a structured course and free resources, the Trading Cafe could be a good place to start. Just remember to be careful and don't expect quick wins. Thanks for watching. If this helps you out, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you in next one.